You asked, how to divide 23,887,872 by 1728 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 23 is too small. 238 is too small. Use 2388. 2388 divided by 1728 equals 1. 1 times 1728 equals 1728. 2388 minus 1728 equals 660. Bring down 7, making 6607. 6607 divided by 1728 equals 3. 3 times 1728 equals 5184. 6607 minus 5184 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 14238. 14238 divided by 1728 equals 8. 8 times 1728 equals 13824. 14238 minus 13824 equals bring down 414, making 4147. 4147 divided by 1728 equals 2. 2 times 1728 equals 3456. 4147 minus 3456 equals bring 691, making 6912. 6912 divided by 1728 equals 4. 4 times 1728 equals 6912. 6912 minus 6912 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 13,824.